I love that little necklace, though. I like it. That's so cute.
I heard you and my dad want.
Easton, what are we doing?
We're launching rockets.
Who built that rocket?
Bobby. Mommy.
Now, this one is the short range rocket, so this one won't go as high as the other motors. So we're going to do that to start off. So everybody needs to go on this side. Okay. All right. Y'all can see.
This side.
Don't.
This side.
Y'all move over that way.
I would have probably.
Come over here, Vic. I want you to film it in slow motion.
I can do it in mine.
You know how to do it in slow motion?
Y'all excited?
Kayla can do it in slow motion.
You're not excited.
Well, I want one in both, you know, so we have video.
Yeah.
Go just press the red button.
When I'm ready.
And keep it on the launch pad. Yeah.
I'll try.
Kayla, you might want to. You try to follow it up if you can.
Oh boy.
You might want to go that way some. Go to the right of Kayla. There you go. All right.
Is Bobby launching it for you? I thought I was going to launch.
You will. You'll get a turn.
launch it?
You know what to do it. Now go.
There he was.
Hang on, Ethan. Now wait till Davy says go, Ethan. That mug will get up there and just go doot.
Chad, hold this.
Huh?
Hold this.
Oh, there it goes, Easton.
Where's the airplane?
Easton,
Easton, go get it.
go get it. Where'd the airplane go? Oh, here it is. Right there. Saw it. Huh? We weren't sure it was gonna go. Yeah, I know.
Easton,
Walk over there.
what happened?
Yeah. Easton, tell Mom what you do.
The rocket launch! And then we're going to start with the higher jets.
Yeah.
Oh, that's going to go so high.
Yeah, it's gonna be so cool. What'd you think about that launch?
Good.
You got scared. Did you get scared?
No?
After you launch, you gotta look up.
It
Shoot real fast.
was hard to find the rocket.
Mm-hmm.
See that little guy?
Yeah.
You doing cool.
It's fine. It's fine.
Dad, did you see my picture?
I did.
So what do you think of it?
Oh, I thought it was awesome.
I know.
Dad, you want to come shoot this one? Yeah.
Okay.
I want to see it take off.
Well, you video this one then.
Huh?
You can video this one.
Okay.
You don't have your phone?
Easton, you come here.
I appreciate the breeze.
Mm-hmm.
What y'all doing the rest of the day?
I don't know.
You want to eat ass?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I was gonna go this morning while they were shooting guns, is what I told my dad.
I got you.
Yeah. So I haven't talked to him since then.
I got you.
Tell me when y'all ready.
David just felt like it was going to be too much
Yeah.
with the lunge and where his back really is shooting is not good right now. Ever since he's had COVID, his back has been killing him. I think it's the way he sits a lot doing his work at home.
Okay, so now we're going to put the big motor.
You know, it the littlest things make them happy.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't have to be the big things. you
Oh
know?
yeah. Well, he's been watching this on.
Oh, tell me
YouTube
about it.
for-
YouTube. So we were watching it some last night on YouTube, word by word.
Mom, did you see me launch it?
I did.
It was so cool, and I was starting with the bigger engines.
You excited? Yeah.
You're first again.
Hey, I'm getting it all on YouTube for you.
He did not. Neither one of them would eat hamburger last night.
Really?
Neither one. Not even Ella. I thought she liked. I know not with the bun, but I thought she ate chicken nuggets. He wouldn't even eat the chicken nuggets. Hey, he's always ate those chicken nuggets.
He's going through a spurt right now where he won't eat anything.
Ella told me that him and Maymay had a fight about the chicken nuggets the other day because she said you eat them
Mm-hmm.
and he wouldn't eat them. So he ate waffle fries and fruit. That's what he decided. And then of course they had ice cream sundaes.
Right.
But I have no sun. Y'all all so dark and I'm as white as a ghost. I haven't been out. I mean, I go outside at home, but I haven't been anywhere to lay out or anything.
Right. Mom said they closed the Florida beaches again.
They did close them.
Mm-hmm.
Because that guy last week, the mayor last week, said that they knew they had a lot of cases. He says, but we are not closing anything. We are not closing the beaches. Well, it must have got to the point he had to.
Oh, that's what Mom said. Maybe she misunderstood. I don't know.
No, I mean, they may have. He said they weren't, but I mean, things can change.
Mm-hmm.
You know, if he had another big spike, he may have decided he was. Well, that's what David and he keeps saying. We keep saying we'd like to go to Gulf Shores, but I told David, I said probably let's just wait a little while. I'd love to go with, you know, y'all but I told David, I said let's just wait. Even though I don't think it's not as bad in Alabama, I don't think.
I mean, not that I know of.
Yeah, you don't hear it like Florida.
Well, that's because Florida's more of a tourist
Well, it is.
attraction, so.
It is.
Yeah. It's a pretty sexy truck. I asked Heather yesterday, I said, do you think there's anything at Parkview? Could you check at Parkview and see if there's anything available that I could do part-time or full-time? She said she was going to look around, check and see. That's
I
good.
told David, I said, that would be perfect. I said, because I could get the kids,
Mm-hmm.
you know, I could get the kids no matter what. It would be perfect, you know. I'm trying to figure it out where I can not go back to work, job.
Right.
Well, Parkview would be a job, but you know what I'm saying, where I could get the kids and do that and all that too.
Yeah, love.
You have any clean that?
Yeah, I have some stuff in my truck.
I can.
Yeah, you want to film? Because I've got this still running.
Oh, you still got it running?
Yeah, I'm getting his YouTube video that he wants so bad.
Kleenex.
You have some?
I think I have. David, don't we have some Kleenex in the car? I think so. Can you unlock it?
Still gotta walk that way.
I only have my keys. Maybe they're in the car.
perfect video.
I'm still videoing for you.
Wow, yay.
I'm getting it all on video.
And what he just said.
Yep.
Okay, Alan. Want to put your rock again? Put your motor in?
Yes, please.
And then goes in first. Just push it in. Slide it on and push. Push. There you go.
Can I put my hand too?
When it's time.
Just the training.
Hello.
Ella, you ready? Ella, you better catch it. You gotta catch it. I'll catch it. Rush boy. It's going to go so high, so you have to keep your track on it.
All right. She's
That
ready
one
to
is
go.
ready to roll.
So we wait for David to let us.
Yeah, we're gonna wait for Fifi.
You mean one time?
Watch it. Watch it. Watch it.
Bobby did before. Today's the best day ever. If I'm so in there, why did
Love you.
he come out?
Sure, but we'll try it again.
Wait, is he supposed to come out? Is the little guy supposed to come out?
Oh, no, he's not.
Well, your airplane come out. Hey, Easton, whenever it's your turn, I'll help you keep track on your airplane. And you can watch your rocket.
Maybe he's got some Kleenex.
Good baby. No, you're not.
Did you find the keys?
Yeah,
Blow
in the
it.
car.
Don't wipe it. Remember, blow it. There you go.
He's cross-eyed when he blows his nose.
That's because he's looking at his door.
All right, stick it in your pocket.
Be a perfect day to go swimming.
Ella says y'all getting a pool when y'all first move in your house.
We will get a pool.
That's what I thought. Well, I didn't know if something changed.
I mean, we'll probably move in right around their birthdays or right before Christmas. So, I mean, we can start a pool.
Around her birthday.
Right. We can start a pool maybe like January, February, then have it ready for the summer.
Right. Yeah, you're not going to be swimming in anything.
I mean, I would. We started swimming in my mom's pool in February.
Well, hers is heated.
Oh, yeah, ours will be heated.
Push it in.
If I'm going to spend all the money on a pool, it's going to be heated. Especially living here. You know, in February it's 90 degrees outside, but at night
Yeah.
it's cold, so the water's cold.
right. Have y'all decided, have y'all figured out if this last plans are going to work?
I think they will. It's going to be expensive, but
All right, Ellen.
we're going to make it work.
How's work going?
It's fine.
You glad to be back?
Watch that cord.
Can I use your sunglasses so I can keep an eye on my jet?
No, just do this.
That's gonna be.
Here, you can use them just for yours, but give them right back, okay?
Should I put it on? What? This. I have something to use to keep an eye on my jet.
Rocket, not jet. Alright. Alright, we ready to count down again? Easton, go stand back there, watch. Here.
Come here, Easton.
You gotta watch. You gotta watch the rocket as it goes up. Okay?
Do I have to help her catch it?
You can try to help catch it.
Easton, this is so cool.
Alright.
Prepare for one in 10 seconds.
Hang on.
We're gonna count down.
Houston, start the countdown.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Boom! There it is, Easton. Look up. Straight up above your head. Straight up.
Oh my God!
I tell you it's gonna get
It's
up there.
coming. That booger got up there. Behind you, baby. Do you see it? Yep. Here it comes. Ella, you look like you're in good position. Here it comes. Woo!
Step on it. Be careful. Hold it by the rocket. Hold the rocket.
Grab the rocket,
Grab the
baby.
rocket.
Not the
There you
parachute.
got it.
You heard him? He goes, you did great, Ella. That booger got up there.
It did. That was up there.
Ah, that was a good one.
Davy, you did good building these.
Yeah, you
Good job, Ella.
did.
I don't know how you could run like that.
All right.
Ella was so sweet last night. They were putting together hers and his together.
What'd you think, guys?
And
That
she
was
looked at
awesome.
David and she goes, I'm so glad you're my grandfather.
Aw.
Ella, David goes, I am too, baby.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Where's the little jet? I'm sweating.
Davi's got it. Yeah, how many more of these we got? 'Cause I'm hot.
Well, they're doing the big rockets now. I think this is it.
Oh, okay.
I think there was a big.
I'll help you catch it. Daddy.
Easton, you ready?
Yeah.
Arr.
Remember the one we had, Chad, that had two gliders on it?
Yeah,
There,
I do remember
that'll
that.
help. There you go.
White.
All right. Ready to go. Let me get my camera.
I hated that they didn't get to have a recital or anything this year.
We were supposed to do a dance for Kobe in it too. Yeah.
Everything got.
That's all good.
Yeah.
Because I'm saving money by not having to go to Disney World right now. So.
True. Can go toward the house.
Yeah.
We all set?
All right, we're gonna count down.
Hang on. You're going to count down from 10. Here we go. Hang on.
Say it loud.
I got it. Sweetie, let me handle it. I have it.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, got it!
Over there. Coming down.
That may go to the baseball fields.
I did not. Maybe it's gliding somewhere. There it is. Where? Where? Way over there. I don't see it. You see it? Hey guys, look at the glider.
That can't be it, huh?
Where? What is he pointing at?
I have no idea.
Taylor, you see it?
I mean, I see what he's talking about, but that looks like a bird. Woo! No, maybe that is it.
See, Dobby sees the
Look, go with Davi, go. Drop it,
Drop it. Drop it. Drop it.
go, run.
I cannot believe the glider went.
There it is.
Oh, it sure is.
You see that?
David's got pretty good eyes to wear glasses.
I can't believe you saw that.
I can't either.
Wow. That was pretty
That
cool.
was cool.
Watch behind you.
Whatever.
That was pretty awesome. I can't believe you saw it. I couldn't even
I just
see
got, I
it.
said, well, you know, it may still be up in the sky. I just turned around and I saw it.
It was just hanging.
Just happened to see it.
So the rocket took off that way, so it pushed it that way.
Yeah.
It pushed the glider that way.
Easton, was that the coolest thing ever?
It was up there too. It was up as high
You love it?
when I first started gliding.
I was just hiding.
It took a while to come down.
You better go tell Davi thank you so much.
Wait, are we doing it again?
I don't know, it depends on if we have any motors.
That was.
All right, one more each.
One more each, Kaylee.
Can I go first?
Okay.
Go grab your rocket.
Oh, I'm going first.
And grab it by the rocket, not by the parachute.
It's the most fun I've had in forever.
Here, Chad, hold this for a minute. Just keep recording.
Yeah. Mine
cannot
It's
believe
recording,
that
so
went.
just record all of
Good
it.
job, Ella. Good retrieval.
Record them, put
That
it
thing went
together.
far, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I cannot believe that went here and that went there.
Yeah, that was pretty awesome.
Well, it glided. The wind took it after
So
that,
don't
you know.
breathe that hard because you're going to make yourself
Pass out.
pass out. When you breathe that hard, it makes it worse. You
That-
gotta take slow deep breaths.
That was a sting. That's what I call a sting.
So,
Daddy,
back up.
Daddy, we need to go swimming
I hear
today.
you. I hear you. Prepping
Daddy needs to go swimming today.
the rocket for launch. This is the Apollo 15.
Feel sweet.
Master engineer David Mitchell prepping the chute. Pilot, NASA pilot Easton Mitchell. Watch it, son. You got to watch the line.
Back in the shuttle.
Master pilot Easton Mitchell. Captain Easton Mitchell. NASA Space Department.
Who went to Australia?
Maybe.
Oh, Madeline, that's right.
Easton, are we going to have a good launch today? How the skies look today for the launch, son?
Clear.
They look clear?
The wind's picking up.
We got a little west wind coming in. You feel that?
Yep. But we're gonna launch anyway.
We're going to launch anyways. I like it.
We have a go for launch. Mission control.
He decided to watch it, the flash. She was
But
trying to
first,
get him to
we gotta
watch
get
it at
rid
the
of the
house.
dragon
When I got Chad's text, we
Woo!
were actually getting ready to sit down and watch a movie. We had finally
Ah!
did everything else, you know.
Look,
And when I
that
got it,
dragonfly thinks that's food. Why
We
is
gotta
that
get that
flying?
room fixed up so they can stay over.
Oh, get this old rocket out.
She's a good little babysitter.
Oh my gosh!
She's helped Mom out a lot this summer.
She's made a good nanny, that's for dang sure.
Dad! Dad, how would you like on the dragonfly?
I gave her a bonus.
You need some more Kleenex, dude?
A little extra.
Go ask if she has any more.
Apple water and apple water.
I don't know if we have to want her an apple yet.
Came out of mine.
Damn, it's hot.
Can we hold it?
Oh, man, I got a headache.
I want an Apple Watch.
Do you? Got one you probably have.
Yeah, the one that we got him for Christmas we didn't even wear.
Why?
I don't know. I'm just weird.
That's why I don't get him anything anymore.
I'm not a tech person, so I don't know why I try to be.
I got you.
But sometimes I try to be.
Well, I'm not either.
Oh,
That baby, if I could. That baby, woo high.
man. Yeah, it did.
Evie should have brought her fans
Okay,
that she
Chad?
put water in.
Oh, yeah, I'm good.
I thought about it and I forgot to.
Good thing
bring
is, when you have young kids, they do all the retrieving.
Yeah,
That
exactly.
baby flew high.
it. Yeah, it did, sweetie.
I'm glad Ella saw it. I was afraid I was going to have to walk all the way over there.
Yeah, this one I'm not gonna keep an eye on it.
Oh, Chad, I don't know how you wear that long sleeve shirt, babe.
Well, they're not as hot as you think.
Gotcha.
Hot enough.
My
I'd
rocket
be-
is so
I'm in a
hot.
spaghetti strap
Why
and I'm hot.
Why is my rocket
But
hot?
sometimes, Kaylee, when you're in
Fire in there.
less, it is hot because it's hitting your skin.
I can hardly wait to see the slow motion videos taken. That's
Okay, I'm gonna chill. Wait, it's not hot
Well,
yet.
you can chill in your pool in your backyard.
Put
That's
it in?
fine.
You want to put
If
the motor in?
Daddy don't want to go do anything else.
push it in.
We gotta go to my office when we leave here and go get his Father's Day present. Do you want to?
You'll be okay. You'll be in the
Hey.
car.
Hey, you want to know what we got him? We got him a brand new ice chest and a wallet.
You got it.
Brand new.
Oh, okay. I heard.
If we're ready.
And I ordered something else, but it was supposed to come in Thursday, and then it was supposed to come in Friday, and it's still not there.
Are you ready to
I'm
watch
trying
Soccer?
I'm trying to do those puzzles because I told David, I said they got these for me and I want to do them. I am struggling with this.
We'll get Mr. David to do it with you. That's something y'all can do together now.
I usually do it when he's working because it
Keep
kind of.
posting on YouTube.
I will post it on YouTube. I will post it on YouTube.
Somebody needs to keep track on that little jet.
Yeah.
Look for the little jet.
Because that's what this is. I may take another one out and see if it's as
You just have to do it like, you know, you do the outsides first, and then like you pick, like if there's a butterfly, pick the colors from the butterfly and do that, and then do all the big stuff first.
All right.
All right?
Here we go.
Okay, Houston. We are prepped for launch.
Easton, you're watching both of them this time. I ain't running all the way to go get your airplane. I'm scared.
Stanley's got.
What you need?
Dad, it's not even-
We got too hot.
Okay.
I ain't running all the way over there to get his airplane again. Ever. Again.
You look so pretty.
Thank you.
Hey, what are you wearing?
LSU jersey.
And what do we say as an LSU fan? Ella, look.
My mom caught a dragonfly. Oh my.
Okay, get off.
Okay. Why are you scared?
A dragonfly landed on my mom.
Alright, fine. So, Ellie, you want to launch this one? Alright, come on, Easton, come launch it.
Easton, it's the last one. You better do it.
It's the last one.
Why?
You've already done it twice.
Just go.
It hurts my stomach.
No, it doesn't. Go.
We'll watch the rocket. Come do it with me. I'll do it. We'll do it together. Come on.
No.
Yeah, go. That you wanted to do this. Now go.
Bang rocket.
You do it.
Oh, Ella, if that hurts
Ella.
your legs, you're in really bad shape. You do all that dancing?
Hey, Ella. He don't want to launch it. Come launch it. Yeah.
Hey, show
Are you sure dragonfly landed on me?
Houston, you gonna count us down?
Yeah.
All right.
10,
Watch the rocket.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off.
Wait, y'all got to stop. Y'all can't do that. Y'all
Come
throw
on,
me
y'all. The
off.
rocket's gonna, the thing's gonna blow away.
10,
Do it right.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off.
Hang on. You have malfunction.
You gotta hold the trigger down. You gotta hold
Malfunction.
it down.
Malfunction. 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 Malfunction.
Take the thing out.
Malfunction. Malfunction.
Yeah, we don't need any.
Fire a rocket right up your butt.
Why? That'd make for a great video.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's not supposed to. You're supposed to be. It's designed to make you hold it down. You
9,
hold two triggers down. It's a safety device.
Yeah, no, I get it. I get it.
7,
It has to be.
6, 5, 4, 3,
You wouldn't launch it, so it didn't go.
Yeah, it's a faulty thing. Oh, okay. There you go. We had a malfunction.
Malfunction.
Because you wouldn't launch it.
Had to call in Master Engineer David Mitchell to recalculate our projections here. Oh, the wind feels good. Yeah, it does. And there's the clouds in front of the sun too.
Which is good.
Yeah, see yourself.
Oh, lordy.
Okay, you're ready to launch. You got this.
Oh,
And I'm gonna hide behind Dad.
stop easy.
And then I'm so hot.
It's hot, baby girl.
Yeah, it is. Don't touch
Yeah,
me.
and I think it would have been worse at 5:30 though.
Oh, well, yeah. If it could just stay like that, it's great.
Yeah.
We're ready.
Okay, Houston, we're gonna give this another shot.
Come on, I'm hiding.
Just count down from 5, y'all.
Let's do a yeah.
5.
Let's do a. Should I test it, Dad, just to make sure real quick the safety?
The red button should come on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
you're
We're
good.
good. We're good.
Okay.
All right. Let's start the countdown. Here we go.
Dad, I can't. 5, 4, 3.
Ah, stop it. Stop. Don't do that. You messing me up. Do Ella, count it down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Glider. Boom! We have liftoff, and there it is. Watch it, Ella.
glider.
I saw it. Now I lost it.
Y'all watch the rocket. I got the glider.
The rocket might be on the baseball field.
Yep.
And that glider's
Woo!
heading out where it was last time.
Is it?
Yeah, I mean, that thing is moving.
Dude,
Well, that's going to end up on Airline Highway.
That thing.
holy crap. Dude, that thing is falling.
Go ahead, Ella.
Be careful.
Did it go over there?
Go.
Yeah, well, we can get it. I mean,
Okay.
Go get it.
Tell you what. It's over the fence.
Yeah. Where?
Wait, Alan. No. Look.
She's
No.
fine.
should be all right.
Yeah, she's fine.
Yep. Okay. Good.
Careful.
It flew so high.
You got to go up a little bit higher,
You gotta go
goofball.
higher, girl.
We'll get the glider when we drop out.
Yeah.
That was